Good evening. I'm Allen Cohen, the composer of the piece that Fuze Trio is going to perform tonight. In the summer of 2020, in the middle of the COVID pandemic and the general quarantine, Fuze Trio asked me if I'd be interested in writing a piece for them to perform online. Now, as you may know, it's almost impossible for musicians to play online with each other unless they have a lot of customized equipment and computer software, among other things. But I had an idea for a piece that would actually take advantage of these limitations and that would express my feelings about the isolation and the stress of quarantine and the difficulties of making music with other musicians. The phrase "alone together," which many people had been using to describe life under quarantine, became, with a small change, my title. My concept is a piece wherein each of the three musicians begins playing in isolation, each in her own space, her own key, and her own tempo. Then they gradually become aware of each other, and they try to break through the barrier of isolation to make contact. They struggle with increasing desperation until, with a sudden breakthrough, they make contact with each other, so to speak, and then gradually come together, harmonizing and synchronizing with each other. This ending expresses in music my hopes for the end of quarantine and separation, and for musicians to be able to make music again, together.
Thank you.